Hearses are all about luxury, because luxury says dignity and respect. From the plush custom interior to the stretched and streamlined design, it's nothing but the best for our dearly departed. We're all dying to see how they're made. It's the final journey, and the vehicle is custom-made for the occasion. The hearse's construction begins with the Cadillac chassis. It's been built without rear doors, rear windows, back seats, a boot, or rear bumper. It's sliced in two using a reciprocating saw that cuts through metal like butter. The two halves are pulled apart, so there's just less than 80 centimeters between them. Then the frame rails are welded in place to join the two halves. Each new frame rail is encased with a support piece. The framework for a hearse has to be extremely solid because it will carry heavy loads for many years. The base Cadillac also has more structural reinforcements than a regular vehicle, like stronger wheels and suspension. The steel rear cage and roof frame are hoisted onto the car, and the roof is built up with steel rails. The framework for the casket loading door goes on next. Once the rear cage and extensions to the chassis are in position, the panels are mounted, which are made of a blend of fiberglass and space-age materials. Adhesive seals the panels to the steel skeleton. And all the panels are secured in place with screws. This is a made-to-measure job. The panels fit precisely to the welded cage. Meanwhile, over in the press room, a non-stick coating is rolled onto a die. Then a sheet of steel is placed over it. The steel also receives a coat of the non-stick agent. An 850-ton press then pushes the steel into the die to the shape of the door of the funeral coach. The non-stick coating allows the door to be easily removed without being damaged. The door is attached to the back of the hearse, using super strong hinges because they'll have to stand up to a lot of wear. The door is high and wide and opens to an angle of 135 degrees to allow for easy loading of the casket. After the seams in the body are smoothed out and it's given a high gloss paint job, the roof is covered with a foam pad. Vinyl material is placed over it and pulled snugly around the corners. The deck of the hearse is lined with a heavy-duty laminate. Next, the fabric that covers the ceiling of the hearse is put up. The hardware that will allow the casket to easily roll in and out of the coach is mounted. Finally, the custom-built sign is fixed in place. From the lustrous paint job to the lush, curtained interior, the funeral coach has an ethereal look. Appropriate, since it's designed to make an exit that's out of this world.
never slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no